In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. First, open lovable.dev on your PC and log in with your existing account so you can access the project workspace. Once you're on the dashboard, you have two quick ways to begin. If you want a blank canvas, click New Project. If you'd prefer a head start with a ready-made structure, choose the dashboard template. Either option takes you into the builder where you'll assemble your dashboard. From here, build out your content by clicking the plus Add Section button. Think of sections as the building blocks of your dashboard. You can insert designs, charts, tables, cards, or stats, depending on what you need to show. Charts are great for trends over time. Tables work best for detailed lists, cards highlight key performance indicators, and single stats are perfect for spotlighting one important number. Add only what supports your story so the dashboard stays clean and focused. After a section or element is placed, click it to edit its data, text, or style using the left-hand panel. This panel is your control center. Update labels and values to reflect your real information, adjust colors to match your brand, and tweak fonts and sizes for readability. Consistent typography and high contrast go a long way toward making numbers easier to scan. If an element supports it, you can also switch visual styles so the data is presented in the most effective format. Next, refine the layout by resizing elements. Drag the edges or corners to scale each piece, and use the canvas guides to align items neatly. Aim for a clear visual hierarchy, large important metrics near the top, supporting charts in the middle, and details like tables below. Keep margins consistent so the page feels balanced and professional. When you're ready to check your work without the editor controls in the way, click Preview at the top left. This shows a live view of your dashboard so you can catch spacing issues, color inconsistencies, or text that's too small to read at a glance. If something looks off, return to the editor, make your adjustments, and preview again until it feels right. Finally, when everything looks polished, click Publish at the top right to generate a shareable link. This is the link you can send to teammates or stakeholders so they can view the dashboard in their browser. Before sharing, take one last look to ensure sensitive information is removed and that your key insights stand out. And that's it. Log in, start a project, add sections, edit, arrange, preview, and publish. With these steps, you'll be able to build and share a clean, effective dashboard in minutes.